All right. Happy snowy Sunday to fathers and some mothers. I'll say that. Okay. Now, I'd just like to say um, there's a lot of attention that needs to be brought to the Maryland legislature this session. Okay. This session because there are a lot of bills that are up for to become law. And basically, it can be beneficial for fathers and also can have I'll say the power to just make things better. Um, just for instance, uh, they're repealing or looking to repeal the, I'll say, the Bill of Rights law for law enforcement officers. That meeting is held on the 9th of February. It's going to be held in the Senate building at 11. It's going to go on Zoom and YouTube, and the House of Delegates at 1:30. So if you want to give your opinion on the House bills, on the House bill to repeal the Bill of Rights for law enforcement, I would suggest that you do that. Also, on that day, there's a law enforcement use of force meeting. Okay, on the same day, and it's sponsored by the same Maryland Senator, Miss Carter. Okay, Miss Carter out of Baltimore. Now, for the bills that speak volumes to child support, child custody, and visitation. On the 4th, House Bill 0449 is up for a vote to be passed on to the Senate for grandparents' rights. If you know, grandparents really don't have any laws. I mean, anything to help them when it comes to seeing their grandchildren. It's up to the parent. Now, this bill would actually help grandparents get their rights, okay, to see their grandchild when they want. Okay, so that's very important. Now, here's the major bill. Okay, this bill um, speaks volumes to a lot of fathers, black, white, whomever, because this is a bill to repeal the suspension of child support arrearages. Okay, this bill is actually House Bill 0580, driver's license suspension for child support arrearages, repeal. Repeal means to stop, revoke. Okay. Everyone who has received a suspension, threatened with a suspension, or had their license suspended in the past should call or email Delegate Deborah Davis in support of this. Okay, this is a very, very, very important bill. Okay, fathers can get their rights to drive, to make a living wage. Okay, because I mean, most of the jobs um, that pay well aren't in Baltimore City. Okay, you have to go out. Okay, and there are a lot of fathers who would like to go out and create this living wage. Okay, now I'll say every person should call their delegate, okay, in support of this, or email Delegate Deborah Davis. She's out of Charles County. She sits on the Maryland Judiciary Committee, okay, for I'll say laws that be passed and laws that can help fathers. Okay, this is very, 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 very important. Okay, it can stop fathers from being arrested. Okay, it can just let you start to do work. I mean, I myself, okay, uh, when my when I lost my job, I couldn't pay child support at one time. Um, th- this is what my first child. Okay, I'm a father of two. Okay, and they were going to try to suspend my license. Okay, I had to go down to child support and plead my case. It wasn't all about going to court. All right, you have to go down to child support to plead your case. All right, so yes, I will be doing this every 2 weeks. Okay, my name is Eric. I'm with Winning Strategies, Fatherhood, the Courts, and Custody. Okay, we work We're a nonprofit agency working to get fathers the right to have their children when they want, so they don't have to deal with maternal gatekeeping or what we call parental alienation. All right. We work with fathers throughout the United States. I talked today with a father from Washington. Okay. I've talked to fathers in Kansas City. I've talked to fathers in Georgia. Okay. But mainly, yes, we do work for fathers here in Maryland. Okay. Until our funding gets to be where it needs to be, it's a cost. It's a little cost, but it's nothing like if we was to see an attorney. Okay. So we're here every 2 weeks. We're talking about those bills that can become law. We're talking about those bills that are very important. Um, I just want to thank you for taking a look at this. I want you to share this out to those fathers. Okay. Tell them to email Delegate Deborah Davis's office in support of this. All right. This is very important. All right. I wouldn't have come on this late if it wasn't. All right. This is very important. This can speak volumes to the next generation of young fathers. Okay. Um, I just want to thank you for your time for looking at this. And please email me, winningstrategies.fcc@gmail.com, if you have questions about your child support case or child custody case and you need help because you can't afford an attorney. We are a nonprofit agency with a 501c3 helping fathers. All right. Thank you.